Hello guys, so today we will talk on one of the errors that occur in the PayPal. We are sorry, the seller does not accept payment in your currency. Please return to the seller and choose another way to pay. We will talk on this topic, what is this error, why this error occur, and what can be done to solve this error. But before going to that, I would like to tell you, if you are struggling to make money online, I basically make 5,000 to 10,000, sometimes 20,000 daily. Also, my members make 1,000 to 5,000 to 10,000 daily. I train them. So if you are curious about how I make money online and how my students and member makes money online sitting from home, then you can message me in Instagram. I will leave the link of my Instagram account in the description of the video. Also, you can message me in the WhatsApp. I'll leave my number there. Now we will talk about the error that occur in the PayPal. We are sorry, the seller does not accept payment in your currency. So what is this error? This error is telling you that the PayPal is unable to process the transaction because of some reason. What is that reason? We will discuss it. So here PayPal is saying that PayPal is unable to process the transaction. Please return to the seller, and if there is another method like Stripe to checkout or any other payment method, then select that method to pay. Now the question is, why this error occur? This error occur because in most of the country, people does not use PayPal as their major transaction. People use other payment gateway for their transaction. So PayPal is not advanced in that country, that much advanced. So PayPal face problem in converting the currency in another currency. Okay. Like in India, if you want to make a transaction of USD in India, the USD should be converted to INR, Indian rupees, for making a transaction. Okay, that's why this error occur. Now, what can be done to solve this error? Before going to that, I'll tell you what I did to solve this error. I configured payment receiving setting in PayPal. I called to the customer care. And one more thing, if you have not watched how to configure your payment receiving setting, I have made a video on that. It's in Hindi. If you don't understand, you can watch the steps. You can follow the steps. Okay. Now I called to the customer care. I searched online. I added GST as well as business proof. Still my error does not get solved. Now, what is the solution for that? For that, first thing you need to do is you need to check your country currency is supported on PayPal or not. So there is a list of currency which is supported by PayPal. I will give the link of that in the description of the video. You can check your country is supported by PayPal or not. Even if it is supported, there are 3 conditions that occur for the supported country also. So guys, if your country currency is supported by PayPal, from the list I have given in the description of the video, you can check it there. You should also go and check the 3 conditions for a successful transaction. Okay. Now here are the 3 conditions by the PayPal. The first condition says this currency does not support decimals. So if you pass decimal amount, an error occur. For example, if you are selling a product or a service and you have listed on your store or website with the cost of $50.99, okay, then if the error is occurring like the seller does not accept payment in your currency. So to solve this error, what you can do, you can just remove the decimal value. So you can put it like $50. Okay, for example, Japanese yen has the condition 1. So if they are selling some product or services and if that error is occurring, they need to just remove this decimal value. Okay, here the second condition and the third condition are similar, but in the third condition they have mentioned India specially. Okay, so here we will go for what is the third and the second condition telling. This currency is supported as payment currency and currency balance for in-country PayPal account only. It means in-country means what? So suppose Malaysian ringgit has condition 2. Okay, it means if you are a seller from Malaysia, then your PayPal account is from Malaysia only. Okay, from Malaysia only. Now to sell this to the buyer should also have a PayPal account of Malaysian only, Malaysian PayPal account. Okay, then your transaction will be successful. This is for the third condition also. If you are from India and you are selling out of the country, in the sense USA or Canada, the buyer should also have a PayPal account from India only. Okay, the Indian INR rupees has the condition 3. It means if you are selling some product outside of India, USA or Canada, okay, and if they don't have a PayPal account from India, in country means within the country, okay, PayPal account in India only. Here also they should have same country PayPal account, then only the transaction will be successful. Here the transaction will not be successful. In shortcut or in summary, I can tell it, for condition 2 and 3, there is no international payment available. Okay, there will be only national payment available only. It means you can sell to that people who has PayPal account of the same country only. For that also there is some condition. What is that condition? Suppose you are from India and this is rupees, okay, Indian currency rupees. Then your store currency should have display as rupees. Okay, the primary currency of your store or website should have Indian rupees. Okay, and your PayPal account also should have a Indian rupees to happen the transaction successfully. Okay, now the question arises is, some of the people from India sell internationally. How they do that? Actually, they have registered their business outside of India and they have made the PayPal account US based only. Okay, so US based PayPal does not have any kinds of condition, so they can accept payment all over the world. Okay, if you still have any doubt, you can ask me on Instagram or WhatsApp. I have given the link in the description of the video. Now, what is the alternate solution for this? Like if you are in India and want to make the transaction of USD on your store or on your website, what you can do? All you can do is to make another payment gateway. Like 2Checkout is there, Razorpay is there, PayUmoney is there. You can integrate this payment gateway along with the PayPal. It will act as a backup. Like if someone is having problem in transacting with PayPal, right, it will act as a backup for your store or website. Okay, and sometime what happened, right, PayPal will face so much of problem in the future also, like they will hold your account if you don't have a GST and business proof, all these things. So to solve this problem also, you need another backup payment gateway. I have also made a video on how you can take to checkout as well as Razorpay and integrate on your website. Okay, so you can check on my YouTube channel. And if this video help you, okay, solving this problem, then please like this video. It will encourage me to make more video in the future, and subscribe to the channel for getting more updates. I make video on technology, business as well as trading. Thank you.